At Matt Reeves. Robert Pattinson's Dark Knight is a fan of classic American muscle cars, it seems, cause his Batmobile looks like it rolled straight out of a 1960s Detroit factory, with custom touches, of course. Director Matt Reeves just posted a few photos from the set of his forthcoming The Batman, with RP in the suit, but more importantly, showing off his sweet new ride. From a bird's eye view, it kinda looks like a souped-up Chevy Camaro or maybe a Dodge from the late 60s. At Matt Reeves. You can see the top of it, and there are also shots from the rear and side, putting the full body on display. Don't get us wrong, it looks cool and all, but at the same time feels not so Batman. Why? It's like Bruce Wayne became a gearhead all of a sudden. Reeves' flick is supposed to chronicle Betsy in his early years, so it's reasonable to assume he's a young dude who likes sweet rides like this now but will eventually get a little more sophisticated and mobile taste. Gallery Launch Gallery. The Batmobile Through the Years Launch Gallery. Getty. It's certainly a different take than any previous iterations of the iconic whip, and hey, it might just work out on the big screen. In the meantime though, crank that Hemi, bats.